Most Apple fans and tech enthusiasts have been waiting for the launch of the Apple iPhone 12 for far too long. Many sources made people believe the launch would take place on September 8, 2020. However, the launch was set back and the new release date is now uncertain. So, in today's video, we'll cover some details of the expected launch date and estimated price. So, without wasting any more time, let's get into our topic for today. As for the release date of Apple's next high-end mobile, the iPhone 12, most people expected it to be launched in September 8, 2020. We already said that. However, this is not the case anymore. Since it is widely known that Apple usually launches new devices in September, particularly in the second week of September, the most likely reason to break this streak is the current coronavirus pandemic and its worldwide impact. Now that Apple won't be launching the iPhone 12 in September, it appears likely the release will now take place in October. To support this, Apple's Chief Financial Officer and Senior Vice President Luca Maestri said in July that the iPhone 12 launch might be delayed for a few weeks instead of its original launch date. To make things even more interesting about the launch, some people are saying the launch of the iPhone 12 will be postponed till next year. But hey, we don't want to be pessimistic about this. We all know Apple has been working on bringing its iPhone 12 out for quite some time. Other rumors are that Apple will be launching 4 different models of the iPhone 12 instead of 1 or 2. There'll be a 5.4-inch iPhone 12, a 6.1-inch iPhone 12 Max, a 6.1-inch iPhone 12 Pro, and a 6.7-inch iPhone 12 Pro Max. Furthermore, each model might be available with different memory packages. According to tech sources and leakers, Apple may have 2 launches for the iPhone 12 if it's being made available in 4 models as discussed earlier. From what Apple is saying, they will launch the 2 6.1-inch models of the iPhone 12 initially, and at a later date, the 5.4-inch and 6.7-inch models will become available. Further muddying the waters, it's possible there will only be 3 models, namely iPhone 12, iPhone 12 Pro, and iPhone 12 Pro Max. If that's the case, we might see changes in the previously discussed 2-launch theory. The only way we'll know for sure is to wait for the release of the iPhone 12. As far as cost, the latest we're hearing is that the estimated price of the iPhone 12 will start at $649, although other sources are saying the price will be $749 for the basic 5.4-inch screen. However, let's say the price of the iPhone 12 can be expected to be from $649 for the iPhone 12 5.4-inch 128GB model and $1399 for the iPhone 12 Pro Max 6.7-inch 512GB model. Rumors also suggest Apple is changing the entire design of the iPhone 12, adding 5G connectivity, OLED displays, updated camera features, improved battery life, etc. We could go on and on about these details, but that is for another video.